Congratulations on the purchase of your SG2 water-fed system. This quick start video will help you set up your system and start cleaning windows. Step 1. Attach the pressure gauge labeled pump to the male garden hose fitting on the pump. It will also have an arrow indicating that this is the outlet. Tighten fittings enough to engage the sealing gaskets. Do not over-tighten or you could damage the fittings or the housings they attach to. Step 2. Connect the 16-inch hose from this pressure gauge to the RO membrane inlet on the top of the housing. Step 3. Unscrew the male garden hose fitting on the black bypass tube from the bottom of the carbon/sediment filter. These two fittings are connected to seal the system while in transit but will not be connected during use. Step 4. Fully open the valve on the bypass tube, positioning the red handle in line with the black tubing. Step 5. Attach garden hose to the DI filter, sold separately. Step 6. Attach shutoff valve to the other end of the hose you are using. Step 7. Attach pole tubing to quick connect shutoff and turn to open position. Step 8. Attach feed hose to carbon inlet on system and to source water. Step 9. Turn on source water. Step 10. Lay the system on its back and elevate the outlet side of the unit so that the bypass is facing upward until air has been purged from the RO housing through the bypass line. Step 11. Once the air has been pushed out of the filters, close the bypass valve partially to begin producing pure water. Do not close off flow through the bypass line while using the system. Some bypass water should always be flowing out. Do not exceed 180 psi on your filters. Step 12. If using the pump, connect GFCI plug to power source and turn on. Do not run the pump dry or before the air has been removed from the filters. Do not shut off bypass or pure water flow while the pump is running. This may damage your system. Step 13. Start cleaning windows. If you follow the steps in this guide, you'll get great results from your system. Shutdown procedure. If using a pump, shut off the pump before turning off supply water. Close the shutoff valve to the pole. Open bypass valve to fully open position and flush out the system for 3 to 5 minutes. Turn supply water off. Disconnect the water line. Make system watertight by connecting bypass hose to inlet and closing the shutoff valve.